The burgeoning field of enterprise AI, exemplified by the innovative endeavors of companies like Native AI, WellSaid Labs, and One AI, presents a rich tapestry of investment opportunities for those looking to tap into the next wave of technological advancements. Here's a closer look at potential avenues for investment within this dynamic landscape. 1. Direct investment in startups. Investing directly in startups like Native AI, which recently secured $3.5 million in seed funding, can be a high-risk but potentially high-reward avenue. These companies are at the forefront of integrating generative AI and digital twin technologies, offering unique solutions that could redefine their respective markets. 2. Venture capital funds. For those looking for a diversified approach, venture capital funds that focus on AI and technology startups offer a way to invest in a portfolio of companies, including those like WellSaid Labs and One AI, which are pioneering in AI-generated voice content and NLP models, respectively. 3. AI-focused ETFs and mutual funds. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds focused on AI and technology provide an accessible means for individual investors to gain exposure to the broader AI sector, including companies developing and utilizing enterprise AI solutions. 4. Strategic partnerships and collaborations. Businesses and investors can explore strategic partnerships or collaborations with AI firms. This could involve co-developing products, integrating AI technologies into existing offerings, or other joint ventures that leverage the strengths of each partner. 5. Equity crowdfunding. Platforms that offer equity crowdfunding allow individual investors to invest in early-stage companies like those operating in the AI space. This can be a way to support emerging technologies while potentially benefiting from their growth. 6. Corporate investment and acquisitions. Larger corporations looking to enhance their technological capabilities might consider investing in or acquiring startups that are developing innovative AI solutions, thereby integrating cutting-edge technologies into their operations. 7. Research and development (R&D) investment. Investing in R&D, either directly within a company or through funding external projects, can foster innovation in AI. This might involve supporting university research, independent labs, or innovation incubators focused on AI and machine learning. 8. Government and institutional grants. For companies and researchers in the AI field, government or institutional grants can provide essential funding to support the development of innovative technologies. Keeping an eye on these opportunities can be crucial for early-stage ventures. As the enterprise AI sector continues to evolve, staying informed about the latest developments, emerging companies, and investment trends will be key to identifying and capitalizing on new opportunities. While the potential for significant returns exists, it's important to conduct thorough due diligence and consider the inherent risks associated with investing in high-tech, rapidly changing industries.